This is an ISP Bindery Mate 2 406 tabletop wire stitcher powered on 115 volts AC power. If you have any questions regarding this equipment, you can call and contact the sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. These units do have an optional foot pedal to activate the stapling, but we do not have one with this unit. We'll just be using the automatic mode, or there's the trigger underneath. Demonstrate operating. So it's activated when you push the paper in and activate the switch there behind the staple head. And this is the ISP Bindery Mate 2 406 tabletop stitcher.